Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your Grok AI respond angrily or even flirty. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and make sure your Grok app is updated to the latest version. Once the app is updated, open your Grok AI app. Next, tap on the two white lines in the top left corner. Then tap on your profile. Now select Customize. Make sure the customization option is turned on. Below that, you'll see a text box where you can type how you want Grok to respond. For example, I'll type respond angrily. Now, whenever I send a message, Grok will reply in an angry tone. You can also type something like respond in a flirty way if you prefer that style. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.